We're today here at what we call the home place. I'm the fifth generation on our farm here. I farm with my wife Susie and my son Craig in central Illinois, Assumption, Illinois, which is in Christian County. We have been here since about 1874 when our ancestors rode up from New Orleans on the Illinois Central Railroad and got off the train at Assumption, Illinois, and we're glad that they did. What our mantra was to leave the farm in a better way than we found it for the next generation. So that's what we work hard to do. On the farm today, with the modern technologies that we have a tremendous story to tell that we aren't telling well enough, I believe. How are we able to provide all the products that we provide and still take care of the environment and take care of our farms? And the part of the story that is missing is with these technologies, we are truly producing much more with less. We've increased the productivity on our farm by over 40% in the past 10 years. We are also providing a higher quality product that all of our customers and end users like, better than they did before. And we're able to do that in a more environmentally friendly way. The products I'm using today have more regulatory scrutiny than any product that I have ever used before in the world. And I like that. We are providing truly a higher quality product that is safer than any product we've ever grown before. Back before the crop protection products, we had a lot of issues around extra foreign material in the crop because of green matter that causes a lot of issues around not only harvestability but also being able to store the crop and provide a high quality product to the marketplace. So just very difficult to do. And we're able to do much better with the products we have today. We just don't have the green matter in the crop. Another thing that you see is we don't have today the insect damage that we used to have in this corn. Years ago, the insects, when they would get into the grain, why it would create an opening for different molds and funguses to get into that product, and we have eliminated that. The first biotech products we started using on our farm were Roundup Ready soybeans in around the year 2000. What the Roundup Ready beans have been able to do for us was give us much better weed control. We've gone from having to do a lot of tillage in preparation to plant the soybeans to very little. We probably reduced our fuel use in our soybean operation by about 30%, maybe more. Not only helps us in erosion control, but we're also finding we're leaving more cover for the wildlife. We've actually had an increase in the number of pheasants that we see in the fields and some of the other birds, as well as deer. What we're finding with the new technologies helping us, we're able to increase our tilth of the soil, more organic matter that's building up. We're also finding more beneficial insects like earthworms and those kind of things like this soil. So really some big gains there that we could not do without the technology two ways. One is through the seed with the this is a triple stack, helps us with weed control with the Roundup technology, but also helps us with insect control as far as rootworm control and corn borer control. Gives us a much healthier plant, which stronger roots, stronger stalks. We get a more efficient uptake in our soils so the plant can better utilize the nitrogen that we use as well as the potash and phosphate and other nutrients. Our son lives just down the road a couple miles on actually the farm where my grandmother was born, in the same house where my grandmother was born. So we're able to carry on that tradition. I think that speaks a lot about sustainability, and we do a lot of things to look to the future. We continue to increase our efficiencies, and I see more of that coming in the future, probably faster than it did in the past, which is a great thing. We're getting that investment in agriculture that we do truly need.